This is a capture race challenge for white. It's actually pretty practical because if white wants to capture black, it doesn't seem very easy. If white cuts here, it will fail instantly because black can Atari at number 2. So white must make use of this shape right here, and that's potentially a weakness for black. Right? Although white cannot capture black, right? If we try these, that's not going to work. But white can set it up in a way that allows black to choose from this cutting point or saving these 3 stones. So if black connects here, now white can throw in here. This is a pretty basic technique, and capture these 3 stones. Black cannot connect because number 7 will capture these 6 stones. And if black wants to save these 3 stones, it can only play here or here, right? Other moves will not work. This will not work. White can still throw in and capture. This also doesn't work, right? Because white can Atari here if black connects. Now this way, black will still be captured. So this is a really basic shape. All these variations after white's number 1 standing down here. So to save these stones, black must play here or here. Either way, white will get to cut now, because now this is 3 liberties versus 2, and white will be able to succeed this way. So overall, not super difficult because white really doesn't have a whole lot of options, and standing down here is a very basic shape that threatens these 3 stones and also threatens this cutting point. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.